to Disabled and Prepping, and today I'm going to show you a little bit about the Temu Fishland game, where you can win some prizes or products free. So this is the fish game. Up on top I have the gifts that I can get free. One is a pasta maker, and then there's 2 coupons that they're going to give me, and then my last product is something. It's an assisted device to attach to the bed, and you use it to help you get up. I'm hoping that I can, well, I'm not hoping. I know that I can attach it to my friend's bed, which will help my elderly friend when she needs assistance. So, um, these are the fish I've been playing for a little while. Not as long as my other game. But I've got down to 7 cents, which is a few more fish. As you get done with the fish, if you still have more fish to go before you get to your total, the fish will. There are usually always 4 on there until you get down to the point where there's only 1 or 2 fish left to get your total. So here we can harvest. I'm not going to harvest because I'm actually waiting for the larger gold one. But these are different amounts of fish food. And the seed, I can plant that by touching it, and it will plant. And then in 2 hours and 59, or three hours roughly, it will be ready to harvest. But I can only do 20 a day. So that's why I'm waiting on the gold one at the end at 4 hours and 30 minutes. So I'm going to do that. Here's where each day you get some fish food. I've already collected my 31 grams today. So I'll come back tomorrow. I don't do the treasure chest because that requires a bunch of friends to help you gain shells, and it just never pays off. So, and then you get a certain amount of fish food each day. Even though it says feed now, it won't let me because that's for tomorrow. And I don't do the new round win because that is something that's temporary, and I'm not going to get a whole bunch of people to do that. So then you can have friends, and then your friends give you fish food. And then each day you have certain things that you can do to get more fish food. In little over 32 minutes, I get to feed 30 grams of fish food to my fish for dinner time. And then they also have right now, currently they have a match where once a day they match you with somebody else for 30 minutes, and you get a share. You share 30, I think 30 grams of fish food, depending on how much you feed. So, and then they also have over here, they have feed rankings. So, currently I'm in first, but that can always change. And then to feed them, you go down to the fish food, and seeing that I have 11, I can feed them 1 because they go in tens. So that feeds them, and then it tells you how much more you have to go. So that's the fish food. That's the Fishland game, and how you can win the prizes. And I will bring you right back to show you last game's prizes. Okay, everybody, here's the Fishland game prizes from last time. I got a shmo. I don't know this word right here. It's a large stash box. I like the box. It's pretty cool. It's got the solar system kind of thing. And here's the box. It does appear to be bamboo, It has a little latch here, which comes with a lock. There's a little area. Whoops! There's a little area to put things in. Like, I mean, if you were using it as a stash box for different things, you can put wrappers and cones and things in there. And then this is the tray that it comes with. This is what I really wanted for my ow, finger stuck. For the Delta 8 was the tray. Because I don't have an area for that. So because it was free, I decided to get the whole box. And this is made also for if you want to make cones or something like that, but I'm not into that. I just wanted the surface for putting my grinder and stuff on for the Delta 8 so I don't get it anywhere. So yeah, that's what it, and then it comes with a little broomy thing to sweep up, a lock. This divider can come out if you want it to. And then they gave you a container with 2 Ziploc baggies. So, it says sealed for your protection, but it's not, because I already opened it. But I think you can. I'm not quite sure. Anyways, and that's not bamboo. That's just a look-alike. So yeah, that's what the case looks like. It comes with a little handle on the outside. Only one though. Would have been nice if it had 2, like a chest. I will be using this box for something else. And yeah, it's nice. I do like it. I don't know how much this would have cost normally because of the fact that I got it through the fish game, or the Fishland game through Temu. So, I don't know. Anyways, that's what I picked up for my Delta 8. There we go. And then my other prize was, it wasn't available. So I had to pick something else. And I picked these fuzzy tiles. It's kind of like a carpeted tile. Not that I'm going to use it as a carpet or anything, but I have my it's going to be used to support my Berkey water filter. Right now it's on a surface that has a hinge right in the center. One of these days I'll show you that item because it's really cool. But for now, I had some cardboard underneath it, and my worker, while I wasn't looking, got rid of it. So I figured since I needed to pick a different prize anyways, that I'd pick these. That way I have multiple ones. So if the other one gets worn out or whatever and doesn't keep my Berkey still, I got more. Or if I want to use some of them for like an area rug or whatever, I got them too. Because there is 12 of them in there. So, yeah. So that's, I was going to get some at Goodwill, but they disappeared by the time I went back to go get them. And I got these for free. So for a little bit of time playing a game, when, you got a few minutes here, a few minutes there, and usually around mealtime, I just play a few minutes of it, or when I'm waking up and having my coffee, which, is mealtime for me. I feed the fish while I'm having my cup of coffee or whatever. So that's what I picked up. Like I said, I didn't really, this wasn't my original prize, but for some reason it was out by the time I actually finished that game. So, because I had missed a few days. So anyways, anywho, I got that. It's going to work for what I want it for. And that's a little bit about it. So if you want to win some prizes instead of purchasing them, for a little bit of time and effort, it's well worth it. That's pretty much how I've been getting some of my things. Is that I play the Fishland game. I am currently playing Farmland as well, which is another game where you plant wheat and stuff. But that game takes a lot longer, and I didn't figure it out in time for my last game. But the current game I'm playing is taking seems like it's taking forever. And I'll show you that when it comes time for the prizes. So, anyways, I just got these in the mail today. So, and they rush ship these prizes, so you don't have to wait as long as you would if it was an order. So, all right, everybody, have a wonderful day. May God bless each and every one of you to overflowing, and may He keep you, your friends, and family safe. Bye for now.